Hi there, my name's Jason Williams. You are watching another video from NJPW1, and as the title suggests, this video is about Raptor in a can. Wow! And it's a small video for a small Raptor job. And so I'm just going to use this. I'm not going to use all of it. Obviously, it's going to be a bit of a waste, some of it. And I just need to clean up some of these brackets. See, I've bought new brackets that hold the scrub bar to the bull bar, as they are very damaged and got some broken bolts and bits and pieces. It's a little bit rough, as you might have seen in some other videos. And this is all going on my 80 series Land Cruiser, which I've got, that's featured on my videos as well, or in my videos, right? And also there's a bracket that holds the ladder onto the Kmart bar. And, I primed it, but never really, I've left it, it looks really ugly. I need to clean that up. As well as one of the scrub bars has a bit of damage. And I'm going to do the heads of the bolts. And then I'll prime I've got some etch primer here. I'll prime anything that's got some exposed metal once I finish sanding it. I've got some sandpaper. And wax and grease remover and some rags. And we'll see how that goes. And I guess I better show you, before I start, some of the, the little brackets on the side that hold the scrub bars, as they are at the moment. And then I'll get into painting all these, or cleaning them up, or sanding them, prime them if need to, and then paint them. Cool. So as you can see here, these are, some pretty messed up kind of brackets. And there's some bolts I break on the odd occasion, or just when I'm being a bit silly. And the other one's the same. That's about it that I can show you of that. So as I'll get these brackets and I'll give them all a bit of a sand. We'll give these a bit of wax and grease remover. Just remembering that the last place I touch is where I hold, or last place I clean is where I hold. As you can see, there's a bit of metal showing, so I'm going to have to use a bit of primer, aren't I? So it says I've got to shake this for 2 minutes prior to inserting the little doobie in the bottom. Alright, 2 minutes. Alright, take this off, remove this one, however we do that. Straight. Straight for another 2 minutes. Very odd. I wonder how that works. I thought that was a little cartridge of the 2-pack formula, but maybe not. Alright, now that it's shaken, I guess it's fair to say it's ready to use. Oh yeah? Alright, so now the wind has utterly changed and now it's going that way. Alright, so I've given these parts a couple of coats of the Raptor, and it's been a couple of hours, so it's time to assemble them on the car. Alright, so we're going to mount this this bracket that this holds onto the ladder on the bottom end, obviously, and connects to the Kmart bar, or the rear bar. If you have a rear bar that's connected directly to your chassis, and you have a ladder coming off of it, going to your roof rack, like this, you must have it cushioned. So I've got a couple of rubber bushes off my shock absorber, I think they are, and these work sufficient, and you need to cushion it, or so it can move independently from both ends. Otherwise, you'll cause cracking up the top. So this is my way around that. Oh well, I'm sure lots of others do it as well. It's a little bit warped and bent out of shape, as you could imagine. Old one's gone. Gone. See, there's a bit of a... It's a bit how you going, isn't it? I can put new ones on. Well, that's a job I've been wanting to do for a quite a long time. Yeah. See if see how this goes. So far, this paint job is incredibly resilient. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.